Ready for the cruise. Look at the 48. Look at the GT2 RS. Ready for the drive. Look at the Porsche. Look at it. Z06. Let's go, baby. I guess the F80 is fast. Like and subscribe to the limits. Another night, another car meet. Dang, you can't see nothing, guys. Oh my gosh. The car ain't black. I know I am, but damn. Watch out. White BMW. White BMW. We just hopped out of one white BMW 3 Series. We're hopping in another white BMW 3 Series. We're about to take it to a BMW meet. I've had my car outside from I came from work. 8 o'clock this morning. It hasn't even seen the garage. Let's start this thing off. What happened? I need one. You need one? I need one. Guys, I'm very sorry we didn't include you in that just now, but we may have been splitting. Like splitting. Like we split the defense a couple of times right there. Yeah. Plus my boy Gary just made this for me. Gary with the Z. Shout out to him, man. So he stopped it on the car. So this is the first spot and then we're gonna cruise to another spot. So it's gonna be cool. It's gonna be lit. We're gonna have some fun. Let's see some of the cars we're gonna be cruising with, man. Cruising with a nice C63, bro. That shit look perfect, ain't it? Look at the fitment, dog. I like those rims. I like those rims. That fitment nice. Right? That shit looks sick, ain't it? Ooh, Z06. You know I love this. What is it? Red Eye? Z06 M4. What, E46? We're cruising with exotics too. So come on now. Ooh, bro. Look at the M2. That thing look nice. Ooh, that thing sounds sweet. That shit sounds sweet. Ooh, GT2 RS C63. Okay then. M Frizzle. Ready for the cruise. Look at the 48. Look at the GT2 RS. Come on now. Ready for the drive. Look at the Porsche. Look at it. Z06. Let's go, baby. That's all. Guys, we're literally going 1.5 miles. So ooh, what was that? That's that Z06. Let's catch up, bro. It's a lit 1 minute drive, bro. As much as this is a 1 minute drive, guys, this is a lit 1 minute drive. Oh my gosh, this is a sick thumbnail. Wait for Yeah. Now this is what I'm talking about, guys. POV drive, spiritedly. You know, just a mile, but spiritedly. Right. Go, guys, go. Let's see. I guess the F80 is fast. I guess the F80 is fast. That's got my T51 R mod, bro. Oh my gosh. Yes, sir. Thank you, God, for tonight. That was lit. Oh, the Mustang did come. Can I go? Yeah, that is him.
It is him.
That is him. See him there. What's up, my boy? What? Yes, guys. F80 made it. Shout out again to my boy Gary. I just made this at the house, bro. Gary literally just made this.
Just picked it up.
Yeah, Gary literally just made it. Cause I'm gonna get the one off Amazon that I can turn off and on. But the light one, yeah. But in the meanwhile, Gary made me that. Shout out to Gary again, man. We made it, guys. I mean, cruising with a Ferrari. Yeah, open it. Cruising with a Ferrari and the Z06, that shit felt nice. I ain't gonna lie. It's levels to it. It's levels to it. That shit was lit. I hope you guys enjoyed that POV, man. It's just a little taste of what's to come. You know what I'm saying? Plenty more POVs to come. We just picked up the whip, so stay tuned. The Z06 sounded hella good with the pops. The G87 them girls went hella good. Come on now. And the Ferrari, like a special blow-off valve. So Jared's like, bro, this must have upgraded turbos. Well, are you gonna say NTX? Look, am I still recording?
Yeah, you still. You didn't know until they pulled up beside us.
Yeah, we saw two girls. I'm like, what?
That's what happens when you're too fast. Things just start.
I was about to say where my phone at, but it's right in my hand.
I lost mine the other night, so you know what I'm saying?
Blew off?
No.
Oh.
he wanted to know if I had upgraded turbos, so he was looking. Not yet.
Yeah, boy, look at that big turbo.
I'm saying, right? Not yet, but soon. That's the whole reason I bought this car, bro. Because of big turbo. So I need one.
When you put a big turbo on this, it's gonna sound amazing.
That's why I bought it. Well, I don't know. I bought it 2 days ago, and I need it to be changed within the next month. So we're gonna wrap it, big turbo, all of that.
Do the crank up.
Crank up first. How do I check if it's already done? Guys, stay tuned for the videos, man. To the Limits License Plate on. I think they said they're gonna go eat food. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed that cruise. It was just a little short cruise, man. But I hope you guys enjoyed it. Plenty more to come. I wish I had recorded what me and Jared was doing on the highway, because we had to mob to get here. Because we were over 2 hours late, or almost 3 hours late, bro. So we had to mob to get here. We turned a 24-minute drive into like 5. So stay tuned to the channel, man. Subscribe, like the video. There's plenty more to come from, man. So stay tuned. Ooh, M4 competition. My boy. What's Gucci? Fat minute, bro. I've been retired, you know what I'm saying?
We came back strong.
We came back. Back out of retirement, dog.
Hell yeah.
Came to go fast.
Especially for the manual.
Yeah, dog.
That's the only way to go.
Yeah, dog. Stick shift. Got to. I couldn't buy F80 with auto, bro. It's cool. It's cool for drifting and stuff, but the manual is just a different level. You know what I'm saying?
Hell yeah.